Look, I'm sorry, mom and dad. All I ever wanted to do was make you both glad. I know I made some bad decisions so far, and yes, I'm left with every individual scar. But thank you for everything you've done for me, even when I said I'm not who I wanna be. Mom, when I looked in your eyes, I could tell you were just terrified. Even when you found out I was depressed, even though it was probably for the best, 'cause it's been a while since the start. As my whole world fell apart, I was in my room all alone, left to deal with my thoughts on my own, 'cause I was too scared to tell anyone. I'm sorry when I said I was the worst son. I'm sorry for what I've done in the past. I'm sorry if your little boy grew up too fast. I'm sorry for what I put you through and every little lie that was untrue. But I still love you, mom and dad, no matter how mad or sad I really am inside, even when it feels like the enemy died. But I always put my family first, through the best or through the worst, 'cause it's my job to make them happy, so they can say that's my son gladly. And I'll have the biggest smile on my face. They are something I can never replace, and I love them both to death. And that's what I'll say when I take my last and final breath. That's how much my family means to me, even though it might be kinda hard to see 'cause of the stuff I've said and done. But I'm still their one and only son. They were the ones who raised me from birth. Don't forget they were the ones who put me on this earth. That's why I feel like the worst ever. I'm falling apart, not staying together. I try to be independent when it comes to this. There will be a lot of things that I will truly miss, like everyone I've ever met, but all I ever do is get them upset. It hurts to know when someone is disappointed in you and don't even know what you're going through. But when you tell them, they say, I would've never knew. Look them in the eyes and say, now you do. Life can't always go the way you want it to, but you just gotta stay true to you. That was to my mom and dad. I love you guys, I really do, and I hope you guys like it the most. But yeah, not my beat, my lyrics. Hope you guys like it.